What's happening, kinfolk? Well, we have made it to a undisclosed area, and what Joel's gonna do is he's gonna make, oh shit, there's security right there. We'll end up making a couple passes, I think. I don't know, the security's right there, so we may not do anything, but we'll have to see. He's trying to see how bad what the road looks like, so we'll check it out. But if he makes a couple passes, man, we'll show you. If he doesn't, then I hope you enjoyed the riding part up until now. So we'll see you after a little bit. See you. He's probably got too much air in the tire right now, but he's just gonna run it like that, see what it does. You know what I'm saying? Getting some practice. Dude, he smoked the fucking tire damn near all the way. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'll have to see if he can feel it. Bro, you smoked the fucking tire damn near all the way, dude.
My gosh,
the tire got too much pressure in it, bro. It's just gonna spin the fuck out that thing, dude. It was getting it though, huh?
Hey, it's time to learn how everything works.
Hell yeah.
Let's do it like 3 more times.
Okay.
I did launch control.
Yeah.
I put in the second one, so it was good.
Yeah. So are you easing out of the clutch, or you just letting it go?
But like I said, the computer is like
yeah. Gotcha.
So let's do this, and then the last one will be without launch control.
Okay.
It's like muscle.
Gotcha.
Straight myself.
So no launch control.
Myself.
It's yourself. Alright, get it. No launch control. Yeah, that passes way better, huh?
Only like 2 gears,
yeah,
and I was like flying. The launch control, it's not for me.
Yeah.
Now I understand why people that do.
Oh shit. Oh, dude.
About the little wheel in the back.
Yeah, that thing's screaming, dude.
Like grip.
Yeah.
And I could feel that in first gear. It was like this bitch was like second, I'm out of here.
Yeah, you did good burnout too with it.
Oh yeah.
Burnout was good, dude.
I need to buy a tire. No, but I mean, it was
yeah.
It was good.
Yeah, so the launch control.
I'm ready to tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm not ready. I'm not a professional.
Yeah.
I'm a beginner. But I'm trying my best.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're going where?
To the track.
Track strip.
Which is Houston what?
Houston Motorsports, I think it's called. Yeah, so we're gonna go check that out, man. We're gonna ride out there with crew and a couple other buddies. So Joel's gonna run the Busa out there, and crew's gonna run his bike, and a couple other ones. So we're gonna check it out, man. Hopefully it'll be good stuff. Hopefully
I'm fucking inspired to get that clutch. I need that clutch. I need that motherfucking clutch.
But dude, the bike fucking sounds amazing.
Thank you.
The bike looks good, dude. The one thing he did say, it is hitting, he does have it to where the back is hitting the license plate bracket. So he's gonna end up fixing that. But
no, there was this right here.
yeah, it's from your burnout. But like it is hitting, right, it's hitting underneath there, man. But he's gonna get that worked out. So other than that, thing rode good, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Dude,
I'm proud of my bitch.
Yeah, that thing's fucking sick, dude.
Tomorrow, at what time we have to be there?
It's 4 o'clock. They're gonna start at 4.
Okay.
So
I got enough time.
yeah. So we'll check it out, man.
Man,
looks good though, bro.
But one thing, launch control this thing.
Yeah.
It's not my thing. Like I thought I was gonna like it. It sounds powerful, right, when you when you're about to take off.
Yeah.
But when you let it go, I don't know if it's because I stretched the bike. I don't know if it's because I did the cams.
Right.
But it feels like when it's about to take off, it's like it want to die.
Yeah. So maybe you gotta feather the clutch a little more then.
But that's
kind of slip it a little bit.
But what's the point of launch control?
Yeah.
The computer should manage that.
Yep.
But I think I did better than the computer.
I think you did too, dude. You took off good, yeah, you took off good with it. So we'll see what happens, man. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll get some times tomorrow and we'll get some.
I always do. Listen, people, I always do my dance. Don't be mad at me.
Damn it, son. All right, well, it's a good day today, man.
Yes, it is.
And like I said, we're gonna get out of here, but that's all he wanted to do, man. He wanted to test this thing, run it a little bit. It's the first time he actually got out and to ride it. So there's a couple things he's gonna adjust, but other than that, man, she's a beast. She's freaking a runner. So all right.
Yeah.
So I guess until next time, man. Much love, much respect.
Peace.
Peace out.
See you.